He's back again, y'all. The low pitch. Hello, picnic. He came at nighttime for the second time. Now he's driving with his headlights on. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out, my friends. Have a good the rest of your day. He drives fast, but he doesn't skip the stop sign. Like the Super Mario Bros, he drives fast and skips the stop sign. And also this ice cream truck now drives fast, but without skipping the stop sign. Anyways, thank you guys. Have a good day.